everything is pink. Amasafuria pink, tamponi pink. Obupira bwa condom pink, buli kimu pink. You were in that marriage alone. Mutapinge live. Ate Sasha, you abused that man. I don't want to say that that man did not abuse you. But abana Uganda abandaba. Njagala I want you to get a pen and a paper. I want you to get a pen and a paper and write down the few words I'm gonna tell you. Dating a toxic person makes you a toxic person. Dating a toxic person, chances are, before you get out of that marriage or relationship, you're gonna turn into a fucking toxic person. Being with a narcissist, by the time you get out of that marriage, you're gonna be a narcissist. I cannot say that Canary did not abuse you, but I can confidently say that sometimes abuse can be triggered. You turned that man into a drunkard. We did not know Canary to be a drunkard. We handed him over to you before he was a drunkard. Kwata penyo nyonyolaba na Uganda. What destroyed the Canary to turn into a drunkard? Tubuli. You destroyed him. You destroyed him. You destroyed him. That boy is a drunkard today. Wamuteka kwa pressure ya amanyi. Wamuteka kwa pressure ya amanyi. Twakwata omusajja oyo ne tumukukwasanga mulamba. Wamutujiza ye naye n'omukyusiza omusize enjala za pinki. Omusajja atandise okunywa omwenge ne yeeyira omwenge n'abe ekitagasa. Wamukola ki? You stressed him. Omusajja wa omwana waffe wamukola ki? Omwana waffe wamukola ki? Abawala abandaba. Omusajja akomyewo ku ssaawa 8 ng'atamidde. From wherever he's coming from. Wefudde asikali teweebase. Wefudde PA we, he has never appointed you as one. Wefudde mama we. Wefudde timekeeper. Wefudde head prefect. Mu maka agage omubuuza avaawa. Omuyombeseza omutaddeko ate Sasha oyina ekimu ekinene. Owulira? Otandise omubuuza ovaawa. Where have you been ati munanga ate abayomba mu Luzungu? Owulira? Otandise omuyombesa. Abakazi abandaba. What are you expecting to get at 2 a.m. after you attack or try to argue with a drunk man? Answer me. Omanya abakazi twewunza. Answer me.
Why are you crying? What did you? Pick them up. Okay, I'm coming, sorry.
Answer me. Chicha chikuyombesa n'omusajja akomyewo ng'atamidde ku ssaawa 8. Chichi. Era yo Canary. Indeed, he's a pink boy. Era nze kyabayamba nga ndi mukazi ogezanga nombuuza gyenva ku ssaawa 8 nga ntamidde ku 8. First of all, when I slap you, I cannot even be charged in the courts of law. Ask me why. I was under the influence of alcohol. I was under the influence. Ye kambuze ku ssaawa 8. Lwaki tewebaka? Webake. Sleep. Banango bufumbo sikomera. Banango webake. Kamba bulira abakyala abandaba n'abasajja abandaba. You people, women abusing men in marriages, you have no idea. Sasha kwata peni n'olupapula. Otunyonyole. How did Canary get to where how did he turn into a drunkard? You destroyed that boy. Now you want to destroy his career. You want to make him look like I don't know what. Tukuyambe tutia.
Why are you crying? What happened?
Yeah, Mama. What did she do?
Waleta akasigiri mu bufumbo. Waleta akasigiri mu bufumbo nga mwagala okakasafa abadiba. Mwagala nnyo tukakasafa abadiba. Oyagala obufumbo obw'omu movie. Bon, hey. Why did you come back in the middle of the night like bitch? Are you an askari? Are you an askari or are you a timekeeper? Mwagala tukakasafa abadiba. Oyagala tukakasa munange nga bwe mwekubye ebifaananyi mwenna nga mwambadde pinki. Mukwano.
What? I like making this.
You want to destroy him or Funemuchi? I spoke to different people and they said, shush. Yeah, okay, now you have spoken for yourself. Tukuyambe tuti. Tukuyambe tutia.
Bawe.
Tukuyambe tutia. Eh? Tukuyambe tutia. Wenna olyawo omusajja oyagala mbu bwava ku NTV. Is it NTV tonight? NTV live. Oluvaawo bw'ati agambe bannange Sasha gwe nagirinya yani nampijja nagirinya. You did not give that man time.
What's wrong? Why are you crying? What's wrong?
Mama, come.
I plead the fifth.
Mama, what's wrong?
Mommy was saying it's not gonna fit me if somebody reads.
That what? It's not gonna fit you, but what?
Maybe.
It's fitting you.
It's not gonna
Yes, they fit you. That's but Ami, don't argue, please.
Okay.
Mama,
They fit her.
all those clothes, they are yours and they fit you. Okay? I'm just putting them away to clear your closet for the winter
That's how you're gonna put
outfits.
them on.
Okay? Now I'm putting away all the what? Summer outfits. Because now it's officially winter. Okay? Those are your clothes and they fit you. Tekuliko n'olu lukutuuka. Yeah? Yeah? Don't listen to Ami. Wama ezengoye zonna zizo. Tezikutuuka wadde era nenda ziga. Yeah?
Ami, you have to
Yeah.
stop laughing. It's
Ami
not
is
even
not.
funny.
Ami, come here.
It's not funny.
You go and pack more things. Even this swimming costume, you pack it.
Because the mama,
We shall
they are
put it on-
fixing the pool in the summer. It's
Yeah.
gonna be fixed
So
for wearing.
you put it in your other
That's like gate.
suitcase. You know that suitcase? Yeah. You go and put it in there. We shall put it on next summer. Okay? Tekuliko n'olwa lumutuuka. Tekuliko n'olwa lumutuuka.
Mama, put it in this suitcase. Mama, this one, put it in there.
She wants to put it in her other suitcase.
But Nami said to put it in this suitcase.
Muleke. Mama, this big one. Mold it. Sasha! Sasha! Oliawo omwana w'omukazi ye bannange ndeka mbuuze abahima bannange oyo mwana muki si muhima isn't that boy amuhima? Katika mbuze Sasha Kanalenga tanna kukuba kidaala yalina ba best friend be basajja banne abamutuuzanga that thing has a top good abamutuuzanga ne bamuwulirira naawulira nakola atya abantu abo era nga obamanyi nga eyali akulembedde nga bamuyita Andrew Mwenda yawasaani ate bannange nekirala abakyala abampulira kino tekigenda basanyusa bw'ozaala omwana asooka n'ofuna olubuto olwokubiri omusajja ate nga owangadde naye omusajja manyambu naye akukoowa tomuteekako nnyo maanyi bannange olaba bannange tomuteekako nnyo maanyi kakkana omusajja bw'abawuwo abawuwo tomuteekako nnyo maanyi emyaka gya Canary girina okukola bino ebintu wammanga emyaka gya Canary. How old is Canary? Mugendawo ku Google mumbuli. Is he even 30 yet? Banange emyaka gya Canary awo giri emeka. Is he 30 yet? 27, 30. Okay. 28. Kale njamuwa 30. Emyaka gya Canary girina mu myaka gye ayina okukola bino ebintu wammanga si musajja musiraamu so alina okunywa omwenge wandiika nti drink alcohol point 2 test any drug of his choice as long as it's not harmful to his health. Yes, test a drug at least once. Test a drug at least once in his life. 2, 3, he has to have at least 1 official wife. Actually, he's not supposed to be having an official wife, but the fact that wamwesibako nakuwasa it's okay. Kale 1 first wife, 1 first wife, 1 first wife, 2 official side dishes, and any number of sneaky links. Any number of his choice, oba 5 oba 10 oba 30 oba 1 oba 0, but any number of his what? Any number of sneaky links of his choice. Over 5, and on top of that, Canary has to have at least 1 official boyfriend. 1 official boyfriend. 1 official boyfriend. Canary has to have 1 work girlfriend. Ngamba ayina okubeera n'omukazi gwazina ku mulimu. 1 work girlfriend. And most importantly, you must be aware that that is not your decision to make, but entirely his decision to make, so you have no say in his choices. You have no say in his choices.
What is this, Mommy?
At his age. Sasha, at your age. How old is Sasha?
7. I didn't hit you.
And you guys stop fighting.
Chilala, Canary has to come back home every day past 1 a.m. Past 1 a.m. Past 1 a.m. Every day he has to come back home past 1 a.m.
Mommy, this is also a summer.
That is also a summer thing. Okay.
Sometimes
Sometimes he has to go to the conference of men on short notice,
even business trips.
and you have no say. Kirala bannanga abakazi abampulira bw'okeera ng'omwana w'abendi omulemerereddwa tambula muviire genda bannangi.
He's not your blazer.
He's not your brother and he's not your son. Tambula genda ne by'oyagala oba n'abaana obaagala genda nabo bannange kikikyo genda. Ka mbabuuze Sasha bamuproposing ira yes or no?
Your oxbow legs.
Mbabuuza Sasha bamuproposing ira sikyo kasodda ndaba wangi? Yes. Sasha we yagenda okugamba yes yatwebuuzaako munzire muddamu ng'abatalina maanyi mukozesa speed nga munziramu. Sasha, when Sasha was saying yes yatwebuuzaako. Thank you. No. Kati Sasha lwaki atugamba? Why is Sasha telling us now? Oba, Dera kumeka.
Mommy, 27.
Wait, I think I'm taking. Wait. It's my daughter's birthday tomorrow.
Yes, it is.
Me?
Your daughter?
I think I should take her to the spa
I think you should.
tonight.
Take us to the spa.
Not you.
Mommy, listen, let's negotiate. Okay?
Not you. You. Is it your birthday?
Mommy, I
So-
was thinking. Mommy, can I ask you a question?
You have no say.
If me and Tyra,
Listen,
Mommy,
let me negotiate.
Mommy, if me and Tyra have a
Wanji, ma'am.
Tara called me a bird.
A bird?
Fly. I go to the go.
Mama is not a bird. Mama can fly like an angel, not like a bird.
I'm sorry,
You can
Mama.
fly like an angel, right? Yeah.
Mommy, can I ask you a question? If me and Tyra get amazing accelerating grades by the end of this year, can Mukazi you are getting?
No, I want to go with Aunt Sharon. She seems like
Can you go to the spa?
Oh, you're not saying?
no.
She has
we are come to
21
negotiate.
cents.
Auntie, wanting to go does not mean you should go.
Kuruta move.
Oyina sente ezigenda okutwala kati awo tolaba
Can
togenda
somebody sponsor me?
tolamuzanga tolina sente.
Mommy, to Kalango, they sponsor us.
Ozinga, enkya togenda kusoma.
We just have color day. We have an assembly. That's all, and it's for dancing.
Anyway, muyina sente.
Can I make a kalango and then sponsor me? Mommy, Uncle Fizz, where's my best?
No, now we Uncle Fizzo one. Uncle Fizzo.
We go drop in the pool.
But you're fake.
Go.
You're so
No,
fake.
Uncle Ham.
You're so fake. Hi, Pluto. Hi, Uncle Fizzo. So you see, tomorrow is my bestie's birthday, but I have no money to take her to the spa, and we are planning a spa day. So can you sponsor me and take me to the spa, please? Thank you.
Anyway, answer is no. Even if anybody is sponsoring you, answer is no. Ask me why. Mwejjemu omuze gw'okusabiriza. Live within your means. No, live with, even if a person is sponsoring you. One of the problems of Kampala girls. Hello, can you buy me lunch? Hello, can you sponsor my nails?
Can you give me some
Can you give me some money? I do my hair. Tekijja kusoboka. Wejjemu omuze gukola ki? Only do something if you can afford it or if a person has offered. Okitegedde. And it's something, unless it's me mama wo osobola okunsaba nga ekintu okyagadde okola wangi. Kati why are you making expensive plans nga you don't have money? Oplaningira mu nsawo yange.
manifesting?
Manifesting. When you start working, when you start working, you take your bestie to the spa.
Because she'll still be there.
She will still be there. You'll also be there.
I'll also be there. Mommy, can I please have some? Can I please have some?
Some food?
Yes, please.
This is my food. You can have some, but...
I want to finish it.
Hey! Senga omwana muwe sigenda muwa.
Also, it's an adult night. Are you 21 and above?
Eyo yensonga lwaki abaana b'e Kampala babeebakako asiba enviiri. Lwaki bakwebakako okusala enviiri genda ozisaleko. Ne bakwebakako ogule wiigi. Really?
Wait, Pluto has something poisonous in his mouth.
It says don't eat, but he's eating it.
Sigenda muwa tekijja kusoboka.
Pluto movement is going to give me some food. Can you move?
P.
They're going to give him a
P.
treat.
Here. Puro.
Pluto, here you
That
go.
thing specifically says not to.
Here.
Let me throw it that way. Oh, wow.
Where's the car?
She's taking it. Pluto movement is going to give me some
Hey!
food.
Obeera otya ne bakweyakakirako batya bakusiige ebirwadde bakuyingizeemu ebisiraani just because mbweyagala wiigi kusiba nviiri genda ozisaleko. It's not a do or die. Sisaleko. Hey. She.
You think I can have some?
Ami.
Okay, bye.
I'm sorry, Mommy, I've gone. Mommy, I'm sorry. Okay.
Deko kumulamu kananga. Kamula alinga munju.
Mommy, you see?
Banaye is Canary bisexual. That's not the point. His private parts, his rules. By the way, abagamba mbu Canary musias obambu ali bisexual. Ebitundu ebyekyama bya Canary. Era wadembo because esanga bwayagala yes or no. Yes or no. Wadembo because esanga bwayagala. Sasha knew all this. Ebitundu bye byakyama. It is called a private part, not a public part, not a marriage part. It's his private parts. Because Senga bwayagala. Era bwabeera bisexual ajje atugambe tumuwe new stock. Yes. Naye mwe abagamba mbu he is not. Tetumanyiyo exiwe. Ayinayo exiwe omulala. Omwana toyegazanya by the way nawuliddeko.
Mommy, can I show you what's in here?
Is it travel time?
Nemmere nga tewooma.
Thank you, Mommy.
I mean, some.
Tyra, nteerako obushera.
Okay.
Omwana Canary teyafuna chance omusajja tafunye. By the way mwe abasajja abandaba mulekeraawo kati honestly jokes aside, can any person here give me one reason why that boy went into marriage at that age? Teyamanya mbu olina okusulako munyegenyege nobeerawo ng'ofudde naye nga teri amanyi mbu n'ofudde nomenkamu nokola otya abawala ne beesanga ne bakwekubira ebikonde. He did not.
I put this.
Because one woman wanted to cover all her bullshit by saying now she's Mrs. Mugume and a changed person. Yeah, asabira wani, asabira wa Kakande, asabira wa Mbonyi. Ekisooka abawala abo bonna be mulaba ku mitimbaga nabo ba motivational speaker aboogera oluzungu bapasita baabwe be babazina. 50% of all the girls in Mbonye's church, they are Mbonye's girlfriends. Wanji?
I put this in there.
Okay. Owulire? Bonna. Asabira wa Kayanja. asabira wa Kayanja kakati otyo atubuulire ebizibu Kayanja byabadde nabyo mu makage nga biri ne internet. Jessica yali avuddeyo okuswaza bawe okuyomba kugamba waweza obufumba bunzita waweza obufumba bunzita. Tekijja kusoboka. Anyway, lwaki tafuna omusajja omulala? Kati ayagala ki? Ayaga tukuyambe tutya? Kambuze, Sasha akola mulimu ki? You people answer me please. What job does Sasha do apart from taking trips? Wanji? Sasha akola mulimu ki? Sasha akola mulimu ki? She's an influencer. Who does she influence? You are putting that pressure on a young boy that you forced into marriage. And the kids omusajja is not yet even 30 alina abaana babiri. No muteka mu bufumbo. Abere ne pressure yo bufumbo. Abere ne pressure azukenga we nawe no muzimbidde. Abere ne pressure yo kugulira makeup yo kugulira wigi. Abere ne pressure yo kulabirira abaana. Abere ne pressure yo ku mulimu. Abakazi ba abusing nnyo abasajja ng'ensi yonna eraba. Osuza otya omusajja eyakeera n'akuwasa n'omusuza mu masuuka ga pinki? Kyova olabera obufumbo bwalina okugaana. Ask me why. Omusajja agenda n'atamiira n'akomawo nga wamma akooye. Neyebaka nayiwa engeregeze ku masuuka ga pinki n'onyiiga. Pinky. You turned him into a pinky boy. You think that boy does not have friends and relatives that genuinely care about him? When no mugulira boxer is a pink. Mukwano tekijja kusoboka. No tukubira omwana. Not ate bambi. There is another big problem. Abasajja, they fear to come out to say that they are being abused. Instead, they look for coping mechanisms. Guys, men get abused in marriages, and because they don't want the public to call them weaklings, they resort to coping mechanisms like, number one, they get extramarital relationships. Point number two, they turn into drunkards. Point number three, he spends more time in the gym. Point number four, he starts to hang out with the boys much more. Point number five, he picks up extra shifts at work and he comes back home late.
I have no more to go. I have enough to go.
Because munange anagamba atya nti bamukuba ewaka.
Found some tights for tomorrow.
Tomorrow is just down there. Tights.
I want to wear tights for wear
tights. They try to find how to ngoye ziweddeyo oba case
Zichali intine gunde.
I'm going on the heights.
Can you get all of them? Mama opaki ngolaga.
Mama engoye zange ngozi gym.
Muleke tokayana. Kambuze. Canary ayinayo ba X. Ayinayo ba X. Canary, you are welcome back to the streets to go and enjoy with your age mates. Yeah, but chicken ba ejimeti bo basiba wano batukolera live bakola ebijja mu myaka jabwe. You are welcome back. Sasha kabata na kuwasa.
She forgot this.
Bring ice.
Mama and Andy, we know my name is Sango.
Together with Joe.
Top yako no eri down.
Mweri.
Eri.
Top. Oh, check on the hangers. There you go.
Hold it. Sasha dayo mukatale. Dayo mukatale nonya abasajja abalala boberanga oyagala abalokole genda mu kanisa. Hey, eria abasajja kati ne MC Kati ya loko MC Kati mulokole. Mbuza MC Kati mulokole. Twina balokole ki abayinzo mutu wasiza. Genda Bugembe talina mukazi akyanonya genda Pastor Bugembe akuwase. Pastor Bugembe isingo genda akuwase.
Where did you put the skirt?
Ajirino. Genda Pastor Mondo akuwase semwandu. Nandi kuwadde Pastor Mutesa asira na ya wasi. Mutesa asira ya wasi. Pastor chiba nange ali singa tumumu. Pastor Grace Mufumbo. Pastor Grace Mufumbo no owa mabwita bati oyo gaya ayogere nnyo oluzungu. Gaya oyo oluzungu ennyo bamwitana. Not Fanero. Waliwo gaya ayogere nnyo oluzungu. Bamwitana. Gaya oyo bamwitana. Tamugamba mbu yes he's married. Rubega isiko yes Grace Rubega. Ayogera nnyo. Even Imbonye is not married. Azinya abawala bo kanisa wonna abavayo bebafuna abasajja. Mbonye is married. Kati lwaki yazinanga na ntumbo Stella. Nga mfumbo. Ha? Mbonye is married? Okay. Grace Rubega is married? Okay. Gende wa Pastor Bugembe akuwase. Go to genda wa Pastor Sematimba akuwase. Genda wa Sematimba muzungu muno akuwase. Omwana waffe naye no muhone weddeko embeera oyagala muteeka mwezo doctrines z'abalokole era twina okugenda mu marriage counseling olwaleero waliyo olukuŋŋaana lw'abafumba tekijja kusoboka. Genda Pastor Sematimba pira akuwase. Bagambye mbu Sasha wafangoni. Peter. Genda anyono Pastor Jengo. Omwana wani naye mama naye si muto. Genda ewa Jengo yiga. Jengo akuwase. Wesonyiwa omwana waffe. Bwaberanga oyagala nnyo obufumbo genda tata wa Amiri babashiba musajja musiramu akuwase omukazi kati ayinogwa omu. Genda bawashiba akuwase yatalina buzibu okuzinazina akuwase yuyo musiramu ate kati omukazi ayinogwa yamuliko yeka oli omulala yanoba. Hey, tepumuwa kabako dumu najja tusamba. Dumu nakuba.
Mommy.
Genda Amiri. Dikiteta Amiri wa Chozeni Becky. Hali single. Na Bruno ke wali ate Bruno ke mulokole. Na sire queen nga gwe wanji hano.
I put everything in here.
I'm proud of you. Hold it. Brunoke! Gende wa Brunoke akuwase. Ndaba naye sister Brunoke genda. Amwana watu yenna mazeke mirembe mbuloko olwokubanga gwembwe. Abalokole. Genda Bruno kakuwase. Genda musajja wa Luwimizi Jeff Yanova akuwase. Twala
Junior Mutuli ali single.
Ne Kabata asula ku live talina mukazi.
Taina yadda akabwa. Taina yadda akabwa.
Hey. Omwana wabendi yenna n'omumalako emirembe. How do you the boy was happy and banange ka mbalage. Ka mbalage mwe muyinza okulooza mbu nsaaga. Let me show you.
Senga tuli ku Mugume. Banange bakadama abatapinga nga mu blessing muli. Muje mutapinge tapinga si ya nyoke no live jitapinge ne kadama dayo otapinge mukisa gwa tapinga mutemugezo okuguvaamu. Mwe bamazimu abatapinga mukisa era 3 billion marriage bitinte mugezo okuva mukisa mutapinge mafuta gennyini ago awe tubaagala awo temugeza ne muva mu mwoyo mubere mu mwoyo okutapinga. I tap into the blessing. 3 billion marriage.
Sasha, how can you use pinky cooking utensils okufumbira bawo emmere and expect him not to be a pinky man? He's a pink boy now. He's a pink boy.
Temuva mu bikabya omusajja omufumbira otya?
Emmere wagifumbise ebintu bya pinki mukwano bintu bya pinki ekisenge ky'omusajja kakati this is labayo
tetulaba Senga
kakati just labayo. This was his bedroom over his living room. Mukwano obufumbo wabulimu wekka. Wabulimu weka. Let me show you. You were in that marriage alone.
Yes. Omusajja namuza bintu bya pink. Buli woda pink. Ng'omwana alinga a baby doll.
Naye nabeera wa pinki.
Kadame yatapinganga mu 3 billion marriage togezo okuva mu kikaacho mu family y'omwo mwennyini ne kati ddayo tapinge.
Era Sasha nkugamba ebigambo bino ng'ova mu bufumbo obwo twagala ebbiliyoni zaffe. Tuzagala. You wasted our money after putting us on pressure. Ogenda kutuwa ebbiliyoni zaffe 3 ezakoleye embaga. Temujja kutusuruwalirako.
Okitegeera tukubanja. Naye yazala omwana tumuddizeeyo. N'abaana yatukakabakake. Tuongeremu 1 billion kati gwe tubanange. Kati tukubanja billion nnyanyabo watukaka n'abaana. 2 boys, can you imagine?
Tekijja kusoboka.
N'abasuzanga mu pink abalenzi abaana b'obulenzi n'ekitaabwe n'amusuza mu bintu bya pink. Swimming in pink. Oli otya ku sowani ya pink. Amazima gennyini. Ebijiiko bya pink. Amasefuliya ga pink. Buli kimu pink n'ebeera pink. Ko kirabe. Ate tukubanja gwe ne family yo billions zaffe 3 ze twaleete wammwe tugenda kujja tuzibasabe. Mutabaguzi nga tonnaba kwekola katemba.
Nagirinya aka Sasha.
Yes.
Tubabanja.
Yes.
Nagirinya.
Muyina
ng'omwana ow'obuwala bw'ava mu bufumbo bakimente.
Yes.
Ebbiliyoni yaffe tujagala.
Mu mukwano ziri actually tuongeremu n'eyokuna kubanga kati alina mututulugunya traumatizinga. Timu Mugume muliwa. Tugenda kubanja biliyoni yaffe tappinga live.
Ojiro kufaana na bad black.
Nezo kameza by the way Senga asidi emitwalo nkaaga.
No mutwala mu studio no mwambaza pinki.
Daba. Msajja nalinga baby doll.
No kwata omusajja no mutwala bannange abantu abandaba. Njagala oyogeze ekifaananyi kino. Does this look like a genuine Simaira?
Nedda. First one.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, ina genuine. Yes.
Oh no. Tayagala bamugambe owaye kati wali onyize nganinganga akuko. No kwata omusajja n'omutungisize suit eya pink.
Can you imagine? Ng'osuubira kiko ekirabe. Omusajja omukulu n'omutungire suit ya pink. Otegeera.
Abakazi nga mufumbirwa abasajja bano njagala omanye mbunno. Abasajja bano balinako baganda baabwe bazadde baabwe mikwano gyabwe that genuinely care about them. Hera neba ate ndabyeyo nno lawyer abadde awolereza Sasha. I have pictures of your battered wife. I also have pictures of Canary when he's bleeding. I also have them. We also have pictures when Canary was bleeding. Did he beat himself? Oli na kukuba ulira. Era n'omuterawo n'akuzina n'ozaala.
Ogusooka n'ogwokubiri.
Asooka era n'akukuba. Era n'omwongera. Era n'akuzina maama.
Nga buli lunaku amulekera emitwalo nkaaga. Nazo tuzaagala.
Kyokuba omusajja.
Kati akaaba obwa single mother, I'm trying to be both. Ibo wali obazaala wali osuubira ki? Ojja bakuza osaaga.
If you're trying to be both mukwano, siye gwa soose. Nange ndi wano ninaaba.
Okitegeera ekintu ekyo yenna alina babiri. Basatu. Yenna alina babiri mu musajja omu. Akaabya ki ekyo? Banyaffe batukuzanga balina 10.
Walala. Bannange bakuproposingira. Notwebuuzaako n'ogamba yes. Noko nemutuula ggwe n'omusajjawo. Owulira hamu. Nemuteesa date ey'embaga nga temutwebuuzizzaako.
Yes.
Nemukola embaga.
Biliyoni
tuyita ne tujja nga temutwebuuzizzaako. Kati otugamba tukuyambe tutya. Are we a police? By the way, you guys, malicious breakups have to stop. Malicious breakups have to stop. If you wake up and you break up with a man, you sit within you and you're like, you know what? I cannot do this no more. Pack your fucking bags and walk out and leave, seek therapy and move the fuck on.
Tayina na therapy giyetaaga therapy yaki aguma akuza abaana kati oyo nno ekimuluma ki ayagala sente z'abaana.
Sasha ndiwo kutegeeza Canary ife ye bannange leka nkubireko wano omuntu
mukubire oyo ayagala za kameeza ze zimubonyabonya kati oba single mother bomutuddemu kyevula bawoza I'm trying to be both mukwano siggwa asoose bye twabiwulira dda tappinga live eno si ya nnyoko si ya jjajjaawo mwaba tappinga mu mafuta g'obufumbo Kadaame yatappinga mu mafuta g'obufumbo twawagala osigale mweyo leeni awo wennyini ng'otappinga ne wano tappinga si ya jjajjaawo tumbaavu. Oyo wa single mother kati bills zimulinnye tewali kirala kimukaabya tewali mululu gw'abakazi Banyaffe batukuzanga aina abaana 8 nga single mother gw'olina 2 just bwe buti owooza mbusima. I'm trying to be both. You're trying to be what? Ogenda funa omukira? Atukaabirira nnyini ebyekisiru tatukoya. Mwera temuntu amatizinga omusajja gwateekako empeta n'ogamba idu. Omusajja gwateekako empeta n'ogamba until death stay at that party. Kati owooza tebamusimanyi tebamutaaginga mu inbox yo tetunyumiza bya kisiru.
Mmwe abantu abandaba omanyi nabagamba nze live yange si abantu bategeera mpola. Njagala buli muntu ombulire. What makes you date a boy for so many years, all the way from high school, and 2-3 years into marriage, you are divorcing? What? Because as soon as you put a ring on a bitch, she starts thinking she's owning you and wanting to end your life.
Thank you. Banangerero Senga akolera abantu.
If Canary was not a drunkard by that time you married him, because I'm assuming if he was a drunkard, you were not gonna marry him. If you married Canary when he is not addicted to alcohol, because I have seen Canary with my 2 eyes when he has lost himself in a bar. Not once, not twice. What went wrong? How did he move from the loving boyfriend to an addicted boyfriend? Because you destroyed him.
Yes.
Because you destroyed him. Omwana w'omukazi mwana muto hamu.
Akuze tumulaba wano.
Ngesi yo ne mulaba.
Olukazi olwamala oduteekako empeta.
Emisolo emidugavu, okombye emizungu, okombye emiyindi, okombye abaganda, okombye abakiga, okombye baboss, okombye obamaliriza bonna ojeno mukati gwe. You are tired of Howardom. Wandikawo Howardom. Now you want a queendom, tekijja kusoboka. You now want a kingdom, tekijja kusoboka.
Malayo olumala ogiteekako empeta bwoti. Ngergamba enfunye omuddu ngetandika yekola katonda.
Howardom with the WHORE.
Oh, I like a ho.
Hodom,
Yes.
Hodom. Hodom. Howardom.
Oli ava mu Howardom yennyini.
Byofumba big. Nenda kukolera omwana ow'obulenzi mubeera mugamba gwe oyogera bw'otyo because tozadde baana balenzi Pluto wamwe ono
Mama wetala kuzaala mwana mulenzi okumanya ekituufu n'ekitali kituufu.
Wamwe oyo kati nze nga nfumbiza Pluto omukazi nga amubonyabonya osanga tekijja kusoboka.
Yayigiriza n'omwana waffe okunywa omwenge alyoka afuuka drunkard. Olwo olukazi olwo.
No, what hurts me harm, Sasha is coming. Okay. Sasha, without Canary, who knew you? Only prostitutes and sluts and escorts knew you. Did Uganda even know you?
Nope.
Njagala weebuuze lwaki Uganda ekumanya olwaleero? Canary. You want to destroy what made Canary? Wanji?
Stani Mukazi.
Nga nafumbirwa Canary. Abakumanyi inze Malaya muno Bad Black ne Bad Black yali takumanyi kubanga wali Malaya rais. Katulina yali akumanyi. Shiraga Shumba yali akumanyi.
Bamalaya yali akumanyi. Bamalaya kirabu.
Hey.
Omwana namuteeka muki mu national spotlight kati agala mu destroying. That's how evil abakazi abamu bebali.
No, right now she's making all this noise because she knows this boy has a public profile out there. But that's being malicious. If you wanted to heal, you could seek therapy.
Ng'ahiringa biki Senga ye.
Nange malicious breakups have to stop.
Anoonya kyakulya kati bwasinga maaza bumufutuddemu.
Ateyo yetunde.
Agende mu Bwakadaama.
Afune passport agende mu Bwakadaama, passport yo agirina. Abasajja bazina Tanzania baweddeyo. Wano nga bakawukana yakwata ekkubo n'agenda otunda emmana najja wano n'embyogerako.
Wangi.
Buli bwonyigako n'omusajja bw'ogenda otunda emmana. Emma.
Yali yakazaala Senga asidi.
Yagitwala.
Ngambisi.
Mbyogerako.
Nga tenabadde okuwonaawona mu ng'ekyali mu bannange. Emma netwala bbanga ky'okuwona ng'ezadde.
Oddeyo ebugirimaani bwa. Bannange.
Take bayitayo Butuluuki. Genda e Butuluuki otunde ensolo.
Owulidde?
Maada genda e Butuluuki otunde ekisolo kyo. Tetukulinaako buti.
Taki baagala jadiidi.
Yes. Totukaabi.
By the way, Uncle Abe yasuinga BBS. Bagita batya BBC. Lwakubanga ebibozi bya Abe nabinko. Ogenda no you hear from him. Ebibozi nga abiwadde other 1,000 nani influential bloggers no gamba kati amuleke n'ebibozi.